Why is celery tea good for weight loss? Aim the recipe is the best. Celery is a vegetable rich in vitamins and minerals that serve as antioxidants, which is why it favors the elimination of toxins. This vegetable is also known for its effective functioning as far as abdominal inflammation is concerned. According to specialists, celery is composed of 95% water, property that adds the quality of being low in calories, anti-inflammatory, and diuretic by nature. In this sense, this vegetable is one of the easiest to digest and to be absorbed by the body, because it nourishes the cells. The vitamins in this vegetable are A, B1, B2, B6, B9 and C. The minerals that make up the vegetable are calcium, potassium, magnesium and iron, and complement the essential amino acids. Celery has been exposed as one of the most demanded vegetables to lose weight. Celery provides essential oils such as lemon, selenium and asparagine. Its richest properties and nutrients are found in its stem and seeds, although the leaves cannot be wasted since they also have medicinal qualities, but in less quantity than the rest of the vegetable. This vegetable is recognized as a great satiating, helps to combat anxiety, is antibacterial, is also a depurative, helps to improve renal transit, stabilizing the body fluids, and among many virtues also helps regulate metabolic processes. Preparation: 1. The stems should be washed very well. 2. Boil water. When it reaches the boiling point, the celery is placed. 3. The flame with which the celery is cooked should be low heat, and if you add ginger it should last 4 or 5 minutes more in a boil. 4. Prepare lemon juice, and when the preparation is ready and rest 10 minutes, it is added. 5. For proper consumption, you should take a glass of tea on an empty stomach, if liquid is left to be distributed during the day before each meal. 6. For your daily consumption should be 15 days with regularity, and 15 days of rest to start again to consume it. I ask 3 favors. 1. Subscribe. 2. Share it with your friends and family. 3.